everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken chapli kebab, and for that I'm using around 2 pounds of boneless chicken. I'm using a Thai chicken big pieces, and I'm going to make a minced chicken. So I'll grind this chicken in a chopper and make it into minced. You can use the beef or lamb, but I'm using the chicken. So that's how it looks after grinding in a chopper. Then I'll take this out in a container and I'll mix all these spices. Then add 1 egg and ginger garlic paste. And add this coriander, the whole coriander. I already crushed, and then I'm adding the coriander. And salt per taste. Red crushed pepper, around 2 to 3 spoons, and then red chili powder. The spices you can add up to you. I mean, how spicy you want, or you can add later more if you want to add, or you can add less if you want. So I'm making a little spicy, so I'm adding 2 to 3 spoons of everything because I want a little spicy. And then I'm taking this cumin seed called ZEERA too. I'm crushing in a hand, and then I'll add it too. And if you have the AJWAIN, add that too. And this is the packet of Chapli Kabab. You can use any brand, or you can make it at home. I'm using 1 whole packet of Chapli Kabab, and I add it, and then a freshly lime juice, around half lime juice, and then mix everything well. Make sure it's really well mixed. And after mixing everything, then just keep it for 2 to 3 hours. The more you marinate, like for the more hours you marinate, that's best. So over here I'm cutting onions, cilantro, and green chili, very finely chopped. So I will add all these 3 vegetables in the mixture of chapli kebab. So after chopping these coriander and chilies, I'll add in a mixture. So I'm adding this 1 big spoon of besan, which is a gram flour, and 1 big spoon of chopped onions, and cilantro a little bit, and a little bit of green chilies. Those chilies are not spicy at all. It's just for the taste. So I'm adding the big chilies. So it's just for the taste. It's not spicy. So I'm making only 4 kebabs right now, so I took a little bit of mixture. I'm not taking the whole mixture. I marinated. So whenever you marinate the mixture, you can keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week, and you can use it whenever you need it. So I put oil in a pan and let it warm, and I'm making the shape. I mean, you can make any shape you want, and just cook them on a medium flame. And let it cook from the both sides, and make sure it's well cooked from the both sides. And do not make the patties too thick, just make it a little thin, so it will cook soon, and it will cook from inside very well. Make sure to make a thin patties, do not make a thick layers, okay? So I'm just putting these kebabs on the pan, and I will flip over gently so it will not crack, so just flip on the other side and let it cook on the other side on medium flame as well. So there you go, it's ready to eat. Enjoy with your choice of sauce and chapati or any kind of bread you want. Do tell me how you like this recipe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And thank you so very much for watching.